Good morning, students. I'm Professor Ritika Bhardwaj from ITM College, Department of Library Science. On today's module, we are going to discuss about about Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Basically, this video is about Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. This is an introductory video. Now, we are going to discuss about Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. As we know that Dr. S.R. Ranganathan is also known as the father of library science in India. And he is also known as the mathematician and library science scholar. Because he already worked in as a mathematician, so that's why he is well known as mathematician. And he worked as the president of Indian Library Association for some time. Now we are going to discuss about the growing up details of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Now, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan birth detail. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan was born on August 12 in 1892 at Shiali. डॉक्टर एस आर रंगनाथन का जन्म जो था हमारा 12 अगस्त 1892 को हुआ था शियाली में, जो कि आज की डेट में तमिलनाडु कहलाता है. ठीक है. डॉक्टर एस आर रंगनाथन के जन्म दिवस के अवसर पे, यानी कि उनकी बॉर्न डेट, यानी कि जो कि 12 अगस्त है, उस दिन हम सब लाइब्रेरियन डे मनाते हैं. ठीक है. Now we are going to discuss about his family. In his family, his father name was Mr. Ramarita Iyer, and his mother was Mrs. Sita Lakshmi Iyer. Dr. Ranganathan married in 1907 to Rukmani. But due to some circumstances, Rukmani died. So then they again married to Sharda in 1929. Now about his career and education detail. इन डॉक्टर एस आर रंगनाथन के बारे में अगर हम उनकी प्राइमरी एजुकेशन के बारे में बात करते हैं तो जो एस आर रंगनाथन की प्राइमरी एजुकेशन जो थी वो सबयंका मुरलीधर हिंदू हाई स्कूल से स्टार्ट की गई थी. ठीक है. इन BA in 1993 he started education taking admission in college, Madras Christian College. And in 1960 he graduated, and then he take admission in postgraduate MA Mathematics in Presidency College, Madras. He also worked as a university librarian. Basically, he started his career as a librarian in 1923. He joined Madras University Library as a university librarian. Here he started his graduation, his career as a librarian. Now, we are going to talk about his educational tour. So, as we all know that S.R. Ranganathan gave us 5 laws and many different classification schemes. So, S.R. Ranganathan, he started his career from 1923 as a university librarian, and after that he was going to England for education tour. He left for England in September to get trained in librarianship and completed 6-month certification course in library science. S.R. रंगनाथन ने अपने 6 महीने का कोर्स किया था लाइब्रेरी साइंस का मेलविल डेवी की पार्टनरशिप में. Now we are going to discuss about the contribution and the achievements of S.R. Ranganathan. As we all know that S.R. Ranganathan ने बहुत सारे ही अपनी लाइब्रेरी साइंस की फील्ड में बहुत सारे ही कंट्रीब्यूशन दिए थे, जिनके कारण ही उन्हें हम फादर ऑफ लाइब्रेरी साइंस कहते हैं. So he wrote large mass of literature about librarianship. उन्होंने बहुत सारी किताबें लिखी हैं लाइब्रेरियनशिप के बारे में, इसीलिए उन्हें फादर ऑफ लाइब्रेरियन कहा जाता है. As we know, he wrote CCC. He gave classification scheme, Golden classification scheme, and he also wrote 5 laws of library science, reference services, and many other books. And later on, we discuss more books given by S.R. Ranganathan. Now we again write again, as I already told you, there's 12 August, the birthday of S.R. Ranganathan is celebrated as the Librarian Day. Now, Dr. Ranganathan received doctorate degree from Delhi and Pittsburgh University. In 1957, S.R. Ranganathan received Padma Shri Award by Government of India for his contribution towards the library field. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan birth century in August 92, Indian Postal Office issued a postal stamp in the honor to give honor to S.R. Ranganathan. Indian Post Office issued the postal stamp to provide him honor. Now we are going to discuss some famous publication of S.R. Ranganathan. As we discussed earlier, that S.R. Ranganathan gave us colon classification, as I already display you in the screen, that colon classification. As we know, the first edition of colon classifications comes in 1993. Now, the first book S.R. Ranganathan gave us in 1931 is Five Laws of Library Science. We all know, we all are very well familiar with the Five Laws of Library Science. We discuss it later, what the five laws in details. Then other books that he gave us in 1937, he gave Prolegomena to Library Classification. Then classification and communication. Classification is a major classification play important role to classifying books or to set up a library. So we all do classification in our home, as we sorted things in our home and put it in a one place. Then in 1966, he gave us Reference Services book. 1969, he gave Canons of Recall Value, a new book. Now we are going to discuss some notable contribution of S.R. Ranganathan. As we know कि S.R. Ranganathan ने हमें बहुत सारी contribution है S.R. Ranganathan का, but still he some notable, we are going to discuss here some notable contribution of S.R. Ranganathan in it. The first thing is Five Laws of Library Science. Five Laws of Library Science. The Five Laws of Library Science, here the first law is books are for use. यानी कि जो किताबें हैं वो उनको उपयोग के लिए हैं, यानी कि बुक्स जो हैं उनका यूज करना चाहिए. और कैसे यूज होगा? जब हम इन फाइव लॉज का उपयोग करेंगे अपनी लाइब्रेरीज में. So here was the second law. Every reader and his her book, यानी कि हर एक पाठक को उसकी किताब या उसकी पुस्तक मिलनी चाहिए. And our third law is every book and its reader, यानी कि प्रत्येक बुक को उसका पाठक मिलना चाहिए. यानी कि हम लोगों को इस टाइप से अरेंजमेंट करना चाहिए अपनी लाइब्रेरीज में, ताकि हर एक बुक जो है वो यूटिलाइज हो सके. ऐसा ना हो कि जस्ट वो डंप हो जाए हमारी लाइब्रेरी में. तो हियर द थर्ड लॉ गिवन बाय S.R. Ranganathan टेल अस दैट कि हमें ऐसा अरेंजमेंट करना चाहिए अपनी लाइब्रेरीज में जिससे क्या है, हर एक बुक जो है वो यूटिलाइज हो सके, यानी कि हर एक बुक को उसका रीडर मिल सके. हर एक बुक जो है जो रीड करने के लिए बनी है वो उसको रीडर तक पहुंचाई जा सके. And here is the fourth law of library science. What is the fourth law? Save the time of the reader. As we know that reader is very busy in his work. So what we do? We have to save the time of the reader. कि उसका मैक्सिमम, यानी कि हमें अपना मैक्सिमम वर्क करना है ताकि उनका मिनिमम एफर्ट्स में उनकी डिजायरेबल नॉलेज, डिजायरेबल इंफॉर्मेशन उन तक पहुंचाई जा सके. एंड हाउ कैन वी डू इट? वी कैन डू इट बाय making a proper arrangement, proper organization of book, so that anybody can come and easily get that information or that particular document they are going to see, that he is coming to search for. And now the fifth law given by S.R. Ranganathan is the five laws of library science. So here the fifth law is library is a growing organism. Like लाइब्रेरी क्या है? एक ग्रोइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो कि हमेशा निरंतर बढ़ता ही रहता है. एज वी स्टार्टेड आवर लाइब्रेरी फ्रॉम small, as we started our library with few books or a single room, but with the passing of time we made it big, है ना. लाइक हमने अपनी लाइब्रेरी सिर्फ एक रूम के साथ स्टार्ट की थी, बट समय के साथ साथ वो क्या होती है, वो भी इम्प्रूव होती है. ऐसे आपके मेंबर्स बढ़ते हैं, आप रिक्रूट करते हैं, ऐसे ही बुक्स की नंबर ऑफ बुक्स इंक्रीज होती हैं, जैसे ही यूजर्स बढ़ते हैं. सो इन द फिफ्थ लॉ ऑफ लाइब्रेरी साइंस, दैट लाइब्रेरी इज अ ग्रोइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. एंड फॉर ग्रोइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, एक प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट होना चाहिए. दैट्स कि नई चीज़ों को हम किस तरीके से उस चीज़ों को अडेप्ट कर सकें. So here are the five laws of library science that are given by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. That is the most notable contribution given by S.R. Ranganathan. And next one is CCC, Coherent Classification. That is also given by S. R. Ranganathan. That is a major classification scheme which was given by Dr. S. R. Ranganathan to classifying book. And now here the big thank you. Thank you everyone for patiently listening to me.